Alright, welcome back. On this video, instead of creating the 10th level, I'll touch on something else, another matter. So far we have 9 fully functioning levels. At least I hope they are fully functioning. I think they are anyway. But the point is, we have 9 levels in our project right now, but we don't have any means of what's the word? Transitioning between scenes, between levels. So I'll show you guys how to do that. Now the first thing we'll do to make this isn't code related. Instead, the first step in this process is related or is made in the editor. So instead of opening up any scripts, we'll go to File here and then build profiles. Now in here, we're gonna open up scene list, and with this segment we're gonna give each of our scenes an index number. So we're gonna start with level 1, opening it up. Now that we have our first scene or level 1 open, we're gonna go back here and then we're gonna click add open scenes. This is gonna add our level 1 scene into our scene list. As you can see here, our level 1 scene is assigned an index number of 0. Now we'll do the same with our other scenes and put them in order. Going to level 2, then level 3, 4, and 9. Alright. Using these index numbers that we assigned to our scenes, we're gonna code transitioning between our scenes. Let's do the adjustments to our enemy behavior scripts first. We're gonna add the same addition to every enemy behavior script. So scripts. Let's start with level 1's enemy behavior script. In here, in this if statement where we destroy our game object, we're gonna introduce a new variable that represents our current scene's index number. So int current scene index, then scene manager get active scene get active scene build index. There it is. Then after our enemy game object is destroyed, we're gonna switch between scenes and transition into our next scene. We'll do that by writing the following: scene manager get active scene. No, what was Yeah, there it is. Scene manager dot load scene, then current scene index +1. We're gonna add this addition to all of our enemy behavior scripts. Let's do the same with our enemy behavior 2 script. Then or 3. Then 4. Five. Okay. Now we'll test this. We'll just do a quick test in our level 1 scene. Let's reduce the enemy health bar. There. That's very good. Now let's do the same here. Let's do the same test. There we go. And for the final test, we're gonna do the same with our level 3. Okay. Now we'll make adjustments, additions to our player behavior scripts. So when the enemy object is destroyed, we advance to the next scene. But if the player object is destroyed, then we restart our current scene. So going to our Visual Studio, let's start doing our additions to our player behavior scripts. For our player behavior additions, we don't need to create a new variable. Oh, actually, we may need to do that. Hold on. Let me see. Scene manager. Load scene current. Can I? Load scene. Oh no. Okay. Actually, we may be able to do something like this. Scene manager and get active scene and build index. Now let's test this. Okay, that works. Let's do the same addition to our other player behavior scripts. Now we did this one, player behavior 4. Where's the? Is that it? Level 2 doesn't have one. Level 3 has one. Then level 4, we did that. Okay, that's all. And that's it, actually. That was pretty quick. But anyway, see you guys in the next video.